our breakfast of champions. Normally we go with coffee and nutter butter, but today our fishing partner opted for some beefsteak, taquitos, and chicken. All right, we'll be ready to rock here shortly. After our breakfast of champions, we're on our way to Clear Lake Park at Lake Lavon. This round we're going to go get that annual pass so that we just don't have to pay the day pass every time, and it's good for another year. So I've got it previously, just haven't made it to that park lately. So this round we're going to go there. Got a couple of balloons, one pretty close to the water over there. Cool beans. All right, we're getting our day pass. Good to go for another year into the end of this month, July, but next year. Cool beans. Okay, so we've got our pass. It's $40 for the year, but bottom line, it's good for the year. And it takes us over here to Clear Lake Park. It also opens you up to pretty much any Corps of Engineer park or facility for day use. So we always like getting it, but we just haven't gotten it this year. But we finally did this round. All right, our fishing partner prefers the lightweight Heritage, so we're going to use the Pelican and go from there. Okay, what we're doing here is we're bouncing the jig, slamming jig rig on the bottom. Fishing partner got a hit earlier. Oh, might be a hit right there. Oh yeah, bounce it on the bottom. All right, let's see what we got. Woohoo! First fish of the day. All right. Woohoo! All right, we were gonna go shoot between the two islands, but or through the channel by the island, but it looks like it's pretty windy, so we're going to stay on this side of the island, leeward side, and kind of work our way up to the other part of this point where we caught some white bass before. I got a gas brigou on the jig. We'll throw them back and see if we get some white bass. Okay, it's kind of rough out here, but we were able to do one just bouncing that slamming jig rig and get that gas brigou. Fishing partner got one on the troll further off from the point, so we're going to go a little bit off the point and see if we can bounce slamming jig rig, and maybe there's something bigger down there other than just a gas brigou. Which tired out, and the temperature's going to hit 109, 110 degrees today, so I'm going to call it quits here shortly. One thing we like about kayak fishing is you definitely get a workout, even though you didn't get as many fish as you wanted. So always a good time out here on the lake kayak fishing.